Hello mga motorista! Welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. For this episode, gusto kong pag-usapan yung bago sa ating 2026 Nissan Navara, specs and features, and kung ano yung opinion ko sa kanya after seeing the launch mga motorista. So na-launch to a few days back, itong all-new Nissan Navara. Now, if you haven't noticed, it's a twin sa Mitsubishi Triton na na-launch na dito sa atin around 2 years ago. So, since may alliance kasi yung Nissan tsaka yung Mitsubishi, so ngayon, si Nissan, kinuha niya yung architecture, kinuha niya yung engine, kinuha yung body, halos lahat dito, like 80 to 90%. And then, they made some little bits and pieces that make it unique dito sa Mitsubishi Triton. So, let's take a look at the front fascia dito sa ating Triton. No? As you can see, again, very familiar shape kasi this is the Mitsubishi Triton. So, yung Nissan Navara, yung uniqueness, yung unique sa kanya dito sa harap is yung kanyang LED headlights. No? They've gone with the parang C-shape siya na design dito sa kanyang headlight. Meron siyang, again, LED DRLs dito sa taas na part. And then also, you have the same Nissan signature tri-LED headlights. They look quite different na in this form. As well as yung overall na look niya dito sa harap, no, they've gone with a slightly different grille. You have the Nissan logo, and then meron siyang 360 camera included, no, for the top of the line model. So yung tinitignan ko dito mga motorista is yung Australian launch, yung looks niya. No, I think it looks good, no? Just like the Triton, pogi siyang tignan, masculine, and hindi na siya kagaya nung previous model na parang medyo mas maliit siya than the competition. Ngayon malaki na siya, no, because of the Triton's body and chassis. Now, looking at it, mga motorista, sa side, meron siya mga accents na orange for the Pro 4X model. Kasi meron pa din silang Pro 4X model for the top spec model. Mechanically, dito naman sa engine niya, it's the same engine as the Triton. So, daanan lang natin ng saglit yung kanyang engine. So, it is the 2.4 liter diesel engine, turbo diesel engine ng Triton. So, for this one, for the bi-turbo model, it makes about 201 horsepower and 470 Newton meters of torque. It is delivered through a 6-speed automatic transmission, and meron din siyang manual option for sure, for the lower spec models at least, diba? So, again, alam natin na yung 2.4 yung 2.4 liter is developed by Mitsubishi, and I think, no, for the 4N16 engine, it's basically a better version, more efficient version than the 4N15. And I think since Nissan didn't have to develop the engine, no, they can expect reliable siya from the Mitsubishi. So, mechanically, same lang sila. Suspension, wala na yung signature ni Nissan, no, na multi-link sa likod, which is replaced by a traditional leaf spring suspension. Well, yung Nissan naman talaga noon, although yung mga first models ni Nissan Navara, malambo, okay yung likod, yung ride, pero nagsasquat siya. They improved it with the facelifted model mga 2020, and then again, it got better, pero mas naging stiff yung suspension sa Navara. Now, with this new one, I think it will provide a better balance of cargo carrying capacity or cargo loading, and also yung comfort, no, sa rear passengers. Okay, now sa likod naman, yung binago ni Nissan dito sa likod is the design of the taillights. Overall shape is the same, pero yung design niya, it's a little bit different from the Triton's taillight. Pati yung mga body panels mga motorista same sila, walang pinagbago naman. Okay, sa Triton. So, meron lang mga mga sticker here and there to make you feel that it is a different pickup truck, pero basically the same, 'di ba? Meron siyang 360 camera, which is good, no? Big improvement na din yung quality niya sa current Nissan Navara na 360 camera. Medyo malabo na yung yung mga 360 ngayon. Noon 2020 okay pa yun, ngayon 2025 unacceptable na yung medyo grainy na mga reverse camera, no? And 360 cameras. So, yan, let's move on to the interior. The big upgrade when it comes to the interior dito sa bagong Navara is the space, because since it's a bigger pickup truck, mas maluwag na siya ngayon, and mas technologically mas up-to-date na siya, no, with its infotainment system especially. So, kung titignan natin yung infotainment ni Nissan, so we now have a 9-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and meron din tayong 7-inch TFT driver display. Now, when it comes to the infotainment system, meron na din siyang mga features na wala sa previous model, better UI, mas mabilis na siya than before. And also, yung mga motorista, no, I think meron din siyang Nissan Connect. So I've tried Nissan Connect sa Almera, but haven't tried it on a different model Nissan. Maybe it's a lot better now, and mas reliable. Meron siyang app sa phone, okay? Now, charging is through a USB-A and USB-C. Sana USB-C na lang lahat, pero at least may option ka to use USB Type-C, no? Lahat A. So again, that's another big change. And seating comfort, mga motorista, again, that's also quite improved because of this bigger space sa kanyang interior. Now, meron din siyang mga motorista, no? Mas quiet din siya than before. And meron na din siyang safety feature, no? As noon kasi yung Nissan Navara, meron siyang safety features pero hindi siya talaga yung para kompleto, no, na safety features. So expect natin meron na siyang autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and magkakaroon na din siya ng adaptive cruise control. And in case na magka-accident din, meron din siya parang makakatawag ka sa emergency services, or automatic siyang tatawag. But again, that is for the Australian market, and maybe hindi yan dadalhin dito sa Pilipinas, no? So, basically, mga motorista, that's it. You can expect that this Navara will ride better than the previous one and can carry a lot more load than the previous one. So, if you're expecting something unique from the Nissan Navara, I think you'd be pretty disappointed. Pero it's still a big improvement, mga motorista, if you ask me, from the previous generation or the current generation Navara that we have. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-exciting, mga motorista, if you compare it to the updated Toyota Hilux, itong Navara, mga motorista, no? But expected natin kasi siya because of these alliances, mga motorista. Like, for example, Isuzu and Mazda. And before yung Ford Ranger, tsaka yung BT50 din. The implementation is a lot better from Mazda than the Navara itself. Because, again, malaking binago si Mazda. It doesn't look anything like yung panels hindi nagmamatch. Ito talaga matching panels, mga motorista, if you look at it dito sa Navara. So, something to think about if you're planning on buying the next generation Navara. You could go either way, Nissan or Mitsubishi. I think they're pretty the same. Magkakatalo lang sa suspension na nilagay or sa dampers na nilagay ni Nissan, kung mas maganda ba siya sa Mitsubishi. So yun lang yung isa sa mga kailangan mo talaga silang i-test drive side by side to know the difference. That's it, mga motorista. Short video lang. I hope you like this video, and as always, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Motorista Adventures. Maraming salamat.